Everyone knows how easy it is to launch a subscribe and save or Autoship offer using the Autoship Cloud powered by QPilot plugin. Just install our 5-star Autoship Cloud plugin directly into your WooCommerce online store. Add frequency options to your most popular WooCommerce products. Add a beautiful subscriber portal for customers in My Account. And see recurring orders show up on time and automatically in your WooCommerce orders view. But did you know that merchants are launching amazing Build Your Box subscriptions for fresh food, home goods, beauty products, and more by customizing the powerful Autoship Cloud plugin? The Autoship Cloud team has created a custom extension, a plugin that brings the subscriber into a Build Your Box experience as a new way for customers to pick what they want in their repeat orders. If you're watching this video, you're probably curious what this extension does. First, the extension adds new templates and logic to your WooCommerce online store that results in a step form guiding customers through their Build Your Box experience. Start with adding an email. Next, select a box size that requires a set number of items to be added to the subscription box. Next, select the meals that are added to the subscription box. Select a frequency for repeat delivery. And second, the extension adds the subscription box as items to the customer's cart, making it seamless for the customer to complete a checkout with a saved payment method for recurring billing. Third, using the power of Autoship Cloud, the customer's next scheduled delivery is automatically created and displayed for them in My Account. You can see the difference between the default display of the next scheduled order and the box subscriptions display that has been customized by the extension. This is the default display, and this is the customized display added by the custom extension. The box subscription items can still be changed out easily by the subscriber, so they can select which items they want in their upcoming delivery, while the item restrictions that were applied to building the box when the customer first created their meal box subscription are still applied on recurring orders. Autoship Cloud's powerful built-in features that enable customers to easily change their frequency, pause upcoming deliveries, as well as cancel and add new recurring deliveries are still available thanks to the power of the Autoship Cloud powered by QPilot plugin. The extension plugin contains custom templates with responsive styles that look great on both desktop and mobile layouts, as well as custom logic that can be configured by your WooCommerce developer or by the QPilot developer team. Our weekly fresh demo stores that show off the custom extension are running the storefront WooCommerce theme. In the video description, there are links to our online demo stores where you can try out the box subscription experience for yourself, and for WooCommerce developers, there is a full design and code walkthrough for developers and designers who are interested in configuring the extension to work with their WooCommerce stores. Contact customers at qpilot.cloud today or get in touch via the Autoship Cloud support website to learn more.